Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on BeReal app. So guys, let's continue into your BeReal app. And now just tap on the profile icon in the right side of corner. Tap on the three dots icon. Now tap on privacy and tap on blocked users. So guys, here you can see the accounts that you have blocked. Now tap on the crossbar besides the profile you want to unblock and then just tap on confirm. So guys, as you can see, the account is unblocked now, and that's it. That's how you can unblock someone on BeReal app very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.